Guys, welcome back. It's part 3, right, Jordan? Part 3.
I'll be right there.
And I got my brother with me, and my cousin again.
Is it okay with you if we bring him in?
Sister's still in the bathroom, and my mom, and me.
No,
So-
they can't see me. They can't see me.
We have to go like this. Okay, so now we're just gonna be like, I'm still
Do it
needing
like
the
this
slide.
way.
No, oh yeah, better. Okay.
This water.
Stop. It's okay. It's okay. Got it. See? God, I'm done mixing it. I just wanted to play with it.
Yeah, she just wanted to play with it while
Okay,
I'm
I'm
making
gonna
a
go get the other
ice cream.
slime. Want me to go get the surprise slime?
What's a pie slime?
Remember when he was making that strawberry and jelly ice cream? That's a surprise slime. Here, I'll be right back, okay? Entertain them, please.
Okay, so we got this little thing. Take that. And yeah. That was we all. And I'm making ice cream. That's yummy ice cream. Like really yummy.
Tell them that I'll be right over there.
There, she'll be right over here.
And I'll see you when I said that. So I have to mix it with taking a big doo-doo. She told me.
That my search warrant contains sufficient cause. He signed it without reading. Now this gives you into the van and the residence.
This is cheap.
And fix it.
Okay,
Fix
this
the
is
door.
cheap. It looks like it's from CVS. I've never
It's
Who's
so
taking
hard.
the big
No sign of
Kenyatta.
Place it in the bathroom.
But guys, Kenyatta's in the bathroom, so should we cut this video and wait for her? Or should we just keep on making the video?
I'll
For
make
part
in
4.
the video. I'll make in the video.
Mostly women. They
Ah.
also false records for disappointment. Those were smart.
Okay.
Names on set of his URLs. Find out.
You see when I said surprise slime? Look, when you rip it open, oh, look at that surprise in it. You can see the surprise in this one. See? Grape and strawberry and grape. I'm chilling.
Like you like